So guys, hello. This is your Bisaya sa Cebu cooking now as my practice for the coming event. Participation for IPAN for nutrition month. And there it goes. I'm grating squash because it's the main vegetable that we were making. We will do some dish that is complemented with a squash. Mix tapos hindi ko na malayan, mali pala naiwan ko yung butter sa pagka-mix niya. Flex ko lang yung pusa kasi may green tsaka blue na mata. Cooking time, steaming time for the puto cheese kalabasa. Ayan, tatakpan pala yung cloth pag nasa-steam. Luto na, dali lang, mga 20 minutes pala ang cooking time ko nito in a low heat or low flame. Ayan, yung puto cheese, yung puto kalabasa ko is soft shell, kaso nagmukhang kutsinta kasi hindi ko nalagyan ng ng yeast. Fluffy na. Tapos nakikita pa yung mga chunks na kalabasa. Mga guys, sigawan ako. Karot ko ang lupat ko ba? Then again, ang nabuhat is bukoy kalabasa o